我就嚟嘔啦。
喺嚟到華樂堂第6年嘅時候，有一次我參加一位講員嘅 workshop， 講員問到你哋而家返緊嘅家有冇你嘅歸屬感？當刻我即刻問上帝，我嘅家在哪裏？上帝即刻回應，佢話你而家所屬嘅教會就係你嘅家。然後當刻我冇猶豫，我即刻去回應上帝，我願意將你所俾我嘅屬靈嘅家擺上我嘅恩賜。
弟兄姊妹，你哋好。對我嚟講，教會成為家嘅關鍵，唔止係因為我每個禮拜都嚟到呢一度聚會，而係因為呢一度有一班願意彼此接納、彼此扶持嘅弟兄姊妹。當我有需要嘅時候，有人陪我禱告，去關心我；當我開心嘅時候，亦都有人同我一齊開心。呢一種在主裏一家人嘅感覺，俾我喺呢一度揾到歸屬同埋安心。
真心擺翻起嘅，係咪？
What I think of when we say family is a group of people spending quality time together. And what I really enjoyed most was when we went to San Francisco. We had our short-term mission trip, and all the time that we spent together worshiping God, singing praises, and telling others about Jesus. It was a really wonderful time.
香港弟兄姊妹你哋好啊！好多人話咧，生命咧係冇說明書嘅。我哋點樣做一個好嘅兒女、父親，或者點做一個好嘅人咧？我哋係唔識嘅。我未返教會之前咧，我生命都好迷茫、好迷失、好唔知道自己想要啲乜嘢。但係而家我唔係咁樣睇，原來我發覺咧，上帝咧俾咗個好好嘅禮物我哋，就係我哋生命嘅說明書，就係我哋嘅聖經啦。求主祝福大家弟兄姊妹，我哋要努力，我哋要加油，我哋要學習我哋生命嘅說明書，我哋學習我哋嘅聖經。透過聖經，我哋希望我哋可以創出嚟美好嘅人生。
華樂堂係我屬靈嘅家，我有一班好好嘅弟兄姊妹同我一齊成長。華樂堂生日快樂！
對於我嚟講啦，我覺得教會就好似一個家咁樣，而我哋就係家嘅入邊嘅唔同嘅家庭成員。even though我哋係有唔同嘅background 啦，唔同嘅年紀啦，有唔同嘅輩份啦，咁但係大家都係彼此相愛，同埋大家都有互相尊重嘅時候嘅，咁所以呢樣嘢就令到我哋可以就繼續好似有 family 嘅 bonding 咁樣，令到我哋可以繼續喺教會入邊繼續成長咯。
Church and fellowship has become like a really big part of my life because most of my friends are here. Everyone knows me. I've grown up here. I've been here ever since I was little, and it's really cool to see how I've grown up and how everyone else around me has grown up. And I can just I have so many memories in this place, and I have so many important relationships here that I really value. And also my religion, I can practice that here and relate to the whole community.
Church and fellowship really became my family because I feel cared, loved here. They're not just my friends, but I really feel like they're my family. They're a part of my life, and in here you can do a lot of fun stuff that maybe you can't do alone or with your other friends. So I really feel like church and fellowship really became a very important part of my life.
So for the shoe boxes, it will be
I feel like church and fellowship has become like a place of comfort for me, and some place that I can look forward to go.
Church and fellowship has become like a part of my family because at first when I came to VBS and church, I felt like it was boring, felt like it was a chore that I had to do it, and when we stood up to sing and dance, I felt awkward, I felt it was embarrassing. But now I feel like church has become part of myself, and going to church makes me feel relaxed and I have people to talk to. So I think that's why church and fellowship has kind of become like part of my family.
I'm really glad that I'm able to come to an environment where I have not only adults but kids that care for my well-being and want what's best for me. And I'm so thankful to have other people beside my own parents and my own brother that want to see me happy in life. And I feel like all the little kids in church, I feel so close to them, and I also want what's best for them in life. So I think just being around other people that want and love me has made it feel like a family.
咁個點解係你嘅家庭咧？
家庭即係成個 family 咁樣啦，係咪好多喺度啦？咁咧就大家咧都會彼此親密啲啊！大家真係話齋，又有啲咩困難啊、唔開心啊，即係好多瑣碎事都好啦，都唔怕嘅。咁因為自己一家人咁啊嘛，咁就可以傾訴啊咁樣。傾訴完之後咧，咁大家就有好多時都會有鼓勵啊，即係會勸勉啊好多嘢咯。所以就覺得呢度成個家庭咁樣咯。
係，我就係喺1994年咁就嚟咗華樂堂，跟住嚟到我就覺得好親切咁，好似返咗屋企咁，好多弟兄姊妹都好關心我咁，咁我就留到依家。
我就退休之後咧，就返呢個教會，因為咧我之前我就係冇自戒嘅，我亦都係一個睇咗嚟嘅基督徒。現在我睇到華樂堂嘅老嘅羅文泰牧師同埋師母，同埋現任嘅羅天偉牧師師母，都喺呢間教會繼續侍奉，好感恩佢哋都神俾佢好多嘅聰明智慧，開咗好多聚會，好似少年呢個青年少年青年呢個崇拜啦，基督團啦，婦女團契啦，有好多好多嘅聚會，好感恩。咁感謝神咧，就繼續希望喺臨在我哋教會中間教導我哋學習神嘅話語同埋嘅榜樣，一齊講慶祝華樂堂35週年。
好慶幸，就係因為我真係好感恩，亦都好慶幸。我係喺一個基督徒嘅家庭裏長大，所以咧我從細咧我都已經係去禮拜堂噶啦，亦都係可以講話係我好中意去禮拜堂，因為我去禮拜堂，我覺得我好開心，即係大家我哋有好多嘅聚會啦，禮拜堂，所以我好中意去禮拜堂。我覺得禮拜堂係對我係最好嘅，喺我成長當中，我覺得我對禮拜堂係最好，所以我好中意㗎，我係好感恩因為我係因為基督徒啦，所以我屋企人咧就我哋啲阿爺阿嫲佢哋呢個連我嗰個咩呢個係叫做一個教會，我哋大家聚埋一齊研究主嘅話理。話語同埋聽牧師每一次嘅講嘅教導，使到我哋能夠識得反省點樣去唔好跟俗世人咁去要做翻一個基督徒身份嘅基督徒。
Happy birthday, Wollaston Lutheran Church Chinese Ministry.
This is my home. Because I feel like I belong here and I feel comfortable whenever I'm here.
This is my church because I feel safe here, and I feel safe here because I know everyone and everyone's a part of my family.
This is my church because it makes me feel safe, and because there's a lot of people in that church that makes me feel that I know a lot and that they do a lot of stuff for me. Except for Evan.
This place is my home because I feel like this is like a safe place for me to go like worship, and I can just be like me here. Like nobody will like judge me for who I am, and I just feel like I belong here.
This is my family because I know everyone here is my family.
Happy birthday.
黑夜将过去，未来不再迟疑，牵起我的手，你给我勇气。曙光渐鲜明，点亮前方路，我展翅高飞。你给我信心，只要相信就有奇迹。
唔會唔明啊啩？攀山寶。
的翅膀，隨着夢想起飛。
相信有愛，就有奇蹟。
不轻言放棄，只要打開眼睛，手牽手一起就不哭泣。
相信有愛，就有奇蹟。